Hi, I'm Dr. Rama Madan. A happy face, a heartthrob, super charming personality, a successful star. Are these all adjectives or illusions of life, and outward happiness is just a showcase to public? Is the success not for one's own happiness? Is this outwardly charming face for the viewers, not for your own self? Is any failure, depression, or any unavoidable circumstance more important than a life given by our parents? That life on which we completely exhaust ourselves to make it a better one. What about those moments of motivation and appreciation in our journey of life? Should we let any issue to overshadow all our accomplishments? Adulation by public, admiration from those who love you, those who care for you, from those who really want to be with you. Can't we find any single person in our surroundings with whom we can share our inner feelings? Are our friends just superficial friends and not those who can identify us being troubled? It is very important that everyone should be taught to seek help and not to take refuge in self-respect or stupid ego. Close friends can lend their hand to pull one from the tough thoughts or feelings at critical times. Onus lies on all of us to be vigilant and not ignore even slightest change in the behavior of our near and dear ones, our colleagues and even our acquaintances. Our general tendency is that we should not intrude into the lives of others. However, incidences like Sushant Rajput's suicide completely refute this thought process. No one has a perfect life, and even God never promised us to give a smooth life bereft of any problems. Any negative thought is a test of our strength and sense. Don't become a loser in the fight of your own thoughts. Be a superstar of your own life. Keep a charming face for your own happiness. See a happy person in the mirror and love that person. Value your life. One must appreciate that irrespective of one's circumstances, there are people who look up to you. You owe your life to them and the society at large. Be a heartthrob for those who love you, who want to spend time with you. The crux is that life is precious. Don't be shy or egoistic for asking a shoulder to share your burden or chat over a cup of coffee, where you can share your state of mind. It is very likely that others may be so engrossed in their lives that they may not notice your troubles. If others are not forthcoming, you need to step out and seek help. Keep knocking different doors and someone might open, but it is sure that if you don't knock any door, no door will open for you. Help can come from most unexpected quarters. Where necessary, we should encourage people to seek professional help, as the therapy sessions can do wonders. Mental health is a growing problem in India as much as has been a problem in the West. It can be no longer dismissed or swept under the carpet in India. And we need to have mechanisms in place to aid people battling depression and prevent them from taking the extreme step of taking them into that depression. I'm offering my hand and cup of coffee. Life is precious, not only for you, but also for those whose lives may be directly or indirectly be dependent upon you. Don't lose hope, keep negative thoughts away, and keep smiling.